Alright guys, we got some quick tool reviews for you on Dave Doc DIY on this episode. We got a 2-pack of batteries at Home Depot. This was one of these deals they had going on around Father's Day 2023 right now. You get a M18 XC 5.0, which this is where a lot of the money in this purchase is. That's a really good battery. And then you get a regular M18 battery. You get the charger that's also an M12 charger, which is great for me because I've had an M12 loadout for a long time now. It's been time to upgrade. Now, I wanted to buy the impact driver and the drill they had. I wanted to get the mid-tier one. That's also on like a killer sale right now. I'm actually going to order it online after I make this video. But if you bought this, there was a selection of tools that you could get for free. I decided to go with the 2-gallon wet dry vac. This is something I've wanted a long time just to make it easier to clean up on the job sites that I'm working at. So we're going to open this bad boy up. We're going to open this up. We're going to see how this works. We're going to do a quick review and we're going to be done because that's what it's all about. Quick and to the point. Dave Doc DIY. Like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, my workbench is a certified mess right now. So we're going to be unboxing these right here on the guest bed, whatever. So we're going to open the batteries first. I'm curious if these come with a charge. Shameless Milwaukee plug again. I've just used this knife my whole life and, well, not my whole life, but very compact box the battery comes in. I'm just so excited for this one right here. I need power. That's what I need. We need power. All right. They're not wasting any space. Here we've got our lithium XC 5.0 battery. Let's see if it has a charge. No. One star. 1 star. 1 bar. Here is our basic M18 battery, if I'm not mistaken. Also 1 bar. So you're going to have to charge these out of the box, guys. But not a big surprise there. Now we're going to get our charger out. Ooh. See, I've seen a lot of Milwaukee chargers. The light bulbs are what always change on them. Is that right? The light bulbs always seem to change. So here you've got your M12 charger, which is convenient. I already have 2 chargers for that, but now I have 3. And now we got our M18, which I'm going to start charging the big boy off the rip. And then we're going to unbox this, and hopefully I have enough battery to give it a solid test for you guys. Just to show the charger real quick, you have these slots on here. If you've never bought a Milwaukee item, they slide in. So you have these slots right here. You slide it in. We're going to get a red light on there, and that'll turn green when our battery is charged. We also get indicators on the back side. All right, now on to the part that I am like super excited with. 5-year warranty on the tool, certified HEPA filter. Comes with all of that. This comes with wet dry vac, obviously. 6-foot hose, 6-foot hose, HEPA filter, service tool, utility nozzle. So it's nice that they give you these attachments with it. I mean, obviously they should give you 1, but it's nice that it comes with 2. Especially for the price that I got it at. All right. 300 plus tools. We know you got it, Milwaukee. This is what we're looking at inside the box. Let's get her out and see what we're looking at here. Now, this is why this is a tool that I'm excited about, because everything that comes with it is inside your little box right now. Perfectly stored, easy to use. We're going to clip this open. Here's our on-off switch. Nice rubber gasket on there too for wet situations. So look at that. You've got your storage right inside of it. Your attachments just sit in here. Solid. It's a ShopVac attachment, so I'm not looking for, you know, a Dyson here. I've seen other Milwaukee attachments that you can use on this, which you might see reviewed on here later, but One thing I'll say, the hose feels nice and sturdy. Retracts really well. We've got a lock mechanism for that hose. You can unlock it and easily take it out. And then when you're done using it, I mean, it just stores right back in there. I mean, it's simple as that. This was the convenience that I'm looking for. And now when you're using it, you've got this slot right here. Boom. Open her up. Here's the inside. This is where our filter's at. We got double clips here. So when you're going to empty it out, that's where everything will be sitting there. And then here's our little mini filter that sits on there. How easy is this to take off? Let's unlock it. Super easy. There you go. You got wet vac action. We got a nice seal around the outside here too. So none of that water is going to come out. Now you got dry. Super easy to clip back on, and here you can see I'm ready to start vacuuming, so let's test her out. This area always gets a lot of cat traffic, and I threw some dryer sheets from the trash on the floor just to see if we can just suck them up easily. I feel like that's a good test. That's how our battery goes in here. I'll take the attachments out in case I decide to use them. Another thing I'm curious about is how loud this is, so we'll see if it's really loud or pretty quiet. Let's go. Fairly loud. Whoa. Yeah, I'm blown away by it. Let's see what we got inside here. There's all that junk and all that hair. That's just, oh God. Very impressed. Very impressed by this. Very impressed. Well guys, that's my quick review of the M18 ShopVac. I'll let you know if there's any issues I have in the future. Trust me, if I think to myself at any point, man, this thing stinks, I'm going to let you guys know. But down the line, you're probably going to see it in a lot of my videos, and I doubt the first thing that I just said is going to ever happen. I'm really happy with it. This is the convenience I've been looking for. Honestly, you don't even need to be running a job site to get one of these. Honestly, if you're just looking for something to vacuum out your car, if you have a family, kids, trust me, I have a minivan and I know how much junk gets all over the place. It's nice to be able to throw a battery in this and have this kind of power. I've had the little car vacuum or whatever. This is serious power. This is worth the money to me. So guys, that's a review. I'll keep you updated on the future tools I'm going to get. If you're looking for renovation videos, DIY tips, long videos, short videos, this is where you're at. Dave Doc DIY. Until next time, enjoy.